Hi, today's video I'm going to teach you how to make simple video using Kinemaster. First step you need to do is open Kinemaster. If you don't have a Kinemaster, you can easily install it in your device store. Okay, let's continue. Select 16 to 9. Okay, then select media. Go to background and select color black. Why we select black? Nothing, I just want black, but it's up to you what color did you want. But in this video we select black able to represent the background. Click layer and select media. Then select the image you want to insert. For now we select the girl. For us to have an example and to have a demonstration. Next step, click the image you insert. After you click, there is another content that pops in the side and able to add an intro animation and outro animation. Next step, select the background that we insert in the start and drag the end point in able to make a longer background. Then select the image that we insert in the start and do the same way that we do on background. Tap the image and select in animation, then select fade. Set it to 2 seconds, then OK. Again tap the image, then select out animation, select fade. That's it. Now we are trying to add text in our video. To have a text, select layer, then tap the text. And now we have the access to add text in our video. For now, we type hi. It's represent the text in our video. Drag this one, enable to adjust the size of the text that we inserted. After we enlarge the text, drag it into the black area. Then select, in animation and select pop. Let's change the font of the text, select this one, and select the font you want. For now this is our font. Now we insert, out animation, select out animation, then select fade. For the last part, we insert the one of the important thing you need to insert. The audio. To insert audio, select this. Then select the audio you want to insert. After we select the audio or music that we want to insert, tap the check in the top enable to proceed. Now that we almost finish, let's review the video. Wait. Hold on. There's one more we forget. We need to fade out the audio. How? Just click this and adjust it down. After we done into it, select OK. Let's have the final review of our video. Let's save our video. Select this one. And select export. There you go, we have a video. Congratulations, you made it. For more video, just subscribe and click bell button. Thanks for watching.